We have arrived. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Fireworks. We're at Rural King, Spring Hill, Florida. Everybody's racing on in. We're not racing in. We're gonna go look at some tractors too. Here we go. We're gonna find a spot. We're gonna park it. We'll be right back. We are here at the Rural King. We are here at the Rural King. All these work gloves. Work pants. My shirt. Ooh. $25 for Columbia.
That's good.
Extra large. Too small. Lots of work gloves. Lots of work gloves. But no 3 to 4X. Extra large. 2X. 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 No. They don't come big at all. Wow. Jeez. Check out those candy gloves. Those are nice. Country shirts. I got them country shirts. Big as they go. Check that out. 3X. Yeah, too small. Some lady gloves. Lots of jeans. Belts. 2 for 1. Now that ain't bad. What's that? A size 38. Who's got a small waist? He's got a small waist. Ooh, here comes some more gloves. Oh, your handkerchiefs. Okay, scoot this down. I won't scoot down no more. Some nice socks. What size are your socks? A large, meaning size 10. Too small. A lot of gloves. Check out them boots. A whole line of boots. Sad thing is, no 16. Some nice fancy ones there. Ooh, we got red, white, and blue. Check that out. Check that out. That's a nice pair of boots. Found me a pair of work gloves, 2X. Gonna be grabbing these today. Those are some nice boots. Everything you need for boots here in the store at Rural King. Check this out. Wow. Now that's a nice size pool. 52 inches deep. Wow, that is nice. 30 minutes to set up, it says. You got space for that. Now that'll keep you cool in 130-degree Florida day weather. And they got a bunch of them. They got a bunch of them. Wow. We ain't got no room for a pool. That'd be nice. But look at that. Wow, 22 feet. 22 feet in diameter. 52 inches deep. That's enough to float in and have a good time. Surfer Joe show with Chef Frankie. Yeah, Chef Frankie would like to have these. Barbecue and fry them, but they're not for sale. Chicken. Little baby chicken. Little baby chicken. Chicken. Rainbow pellets are called. Rural King Spring Harbor.
The last one is a duck and a turkey.
Chickens. Peepers. Little baby chickens. All staying warm. Yep, chasing around. Chicken. Hey, chicken. All the chickens here. And they grow up to be bigger chickens. Oh, what do we got here? We got quacking ducks. White, pinky ducks, $7. Got a couple down here. More chickens. More chickens. This is $3 each for that little chicken.
That's a duck.
That's a duck over here.
And that's a turkey.
A turkey, okay. Look here, we got rabbit. We got a rabbit. Hi, rabbit. How you doing? You're $7 rabbit. Cute little bunny. Look at those big floppy ears. Look at those big floppy ears. Hi there. Rabbit, you make a good pet. Hippity hop, hippity hop, hippity hop hop. It's Peter Rabbit. Hey Peter, how you doing? What you doing in the cage, Peter? Huh? You eating your pellets? You can make someone a good pet, Peter. Well, if you need some hay, come on down to the Rural King. $5 a bale. Rolling the hay. Rolling that hay. Yeah. You get sticky though.